Hey guys, finally back with another video. Today's video is going to be on Phone Clear by iMobi. This is for Windows and Mac. Now you can get two versions of this. One version is the free version that you can download off the website. Links will be down below. The free version just lets you do a quick scan of your iOS device, and you can get a pro version that costs a bit of money, but it lets you do a deep scan. Now what this program does, it lets you clear off temporary files. It lets you clear off your cache, your cookie cache, your browsing cache. It lets you go delete some junk that may be in your messages, that may be in your media, that may be in your Safari, notes, web calendar, etc. It will clear up files that are not needed on your phone, which makes space on your phone or your iOS device and boosts the performance of your device. Now, I've been playing around with this for a few days now, and it is really good. I used it on my iPhone and I cleared up 250 meg space that was not needed. So we'll get into the program now and I'll show you how it works. I've got the Pro version, but today I'll only show you a quick scan, as most of you will probably only download the free version. So all you need to do first, once it's booted up on your Mac or your Windows computer, is plug in your device. Make sure iTunes is not open when you're using this program. So once it recognizes your device, wait for the top bar up here to load. Depending on what's on your device, it might take a bit. Now with this scan I'm going to do, it's not going to pick up much because I've already done a scan with this iPod to test it, so the iPod's already been scanned. So once it's loaded, all we're going to do, I'll take you through these. That's your quick scan. That will let you get rid of a few junk files and do a quick scan and get rid of files that are not needed on your device, like your temporary cookies, your error logs, and stuff like that. I'll show you deep scan, but I won't get too into it. So right here is your deep scan, and you can select files that you want to search for and delete. Now, if you're using an iPhone, I highly recommend that you don't do messages unless you want your pictures, voice memos, and media that have been sent through messages deleted. So if you've got attached files that have been sent through SMS or iMessage and you don't want those deleted, don't do messages. Untick it. That's the same with your call-in history. If you have call-in history that you want to keep, untick it. Now, browsing history, that's up to you. That will just clear your browsing history in Safari. So if you've been searching through websites, it'll just clear all that. Now, that's up to you. I recommend delete it, but if you have websites that you haven't bookmarked yet, or you can't remember the sites and you got in your history, don't delete it. But that's completely up to you. Now, Safari history not needed is not going to do anything. It's not going to affect your phone or your history in any way, so you can delete that. Webmail cache you can get rid of. iOS notifications, just going to shut down notifications in the background that you haven't viewed yet. Safari cookies, get those removed. Safari cache, remove that. Active apps, all that's going to do is remove apps that are open in your background. It's just going to terminate them and shut down the app. And this is just going to optimize the iOS performance. So this is going to tune up your device a bit, deleting files that are not needed on your iOS device. So that is the deep clean. You then press scan, it will do a backup of your device, and then it will start deleting files, and then your device will reset. You also have your Toolbox. This will let you do a contact clean, note clean, calendar clean, and media repair. If you have media that you don't think is working right on your iPod, you can try media repair, and it'll try and find media that needs to be repaired and might not find it because there's nothing to be repaired. There's also an app clean and a photo clean. You can look through these. If you got the Pro version, I'm pretty sure you need the Pro version for these, but you can just look through them and have a look. If you are jailbroken, you can do a system clean or an app shrink. So if you have a jailbroken device, I recommend that you just use the system clean and app shrink. Don't go cleaning files off just in case. I haven't done it with the jailbroken device yet, so I'm not sure what it's going to get rid of. You also have restore. So once your device has gone through a backup process, you have your restores as you see here. owner. So it's been done by Phone Clean, not iTunes. So I have direct backups in here. So if something goes wrong during this process and data happens to get deleted, that it won't, guaranteed that it shouldn't get deleted, you can do a restore from these backup points, or delete. You can delete these restores also. Now I'll take you through the quick clean. So this is what you get for the free user. So all you need to do is press quick clean, select what you want to do. I also recommend you do a quick clean as well as a deep clean, because as you see, there are files that you can be selected in the quick clean that aren't in the deep clean. So as you see, there's an app cache, app temp files, download temp files, user storage files, your photo cache, your app crash logs. You want to get rid of that definitely, because you don't need those. It's just taking up space on your iPhone or your iOS device. You want to get rid of your app cookies. So I'm just going to do all these user storage files. This just gets rid of temp files in your directory that are not needed. You do not need those temp files. Okay, so you're going to press start scan. It's going to do a quick scan. As you see, with a quick clean, it will not back up your device. So as you see, I've already done a scan before. There's nothing that needs to be done. But once you have, if you have it'll usually say you've got 6 or how many ever items that need to be cleaned off. You can click on these and you can untick ones or tick ones that you want to be deleted. You can untick the ones you don't want to be deleted. But once you've gone through that process, you want to press clean. I can't press clean because there's nothing to be cleaned off my device. They'll just take you through a few processes, cleaning your device, and then that is it. Your device is done. It may reset during a quick clean, it may not, depending on what is being deleted. So once that is done, it will come up with a page that what has successfully been removed and how much space you have created on your phone and how much percent has your iPhone is now being optimized, or your iOS device. So I've been using this for a few days and I do recommend it. It is free for a quick scan. You might as well do it. It does boost the performance of your device. I have noticed mine has been running a little bit more smoother, has optimized it a little bit, but it's good for cleaning up just files that are not needed. I'm going to do this about every 1 or 2 months just to clean up my devices and get them to run smooth again, because they do get a bit laggy after a while. So that is my review on Phone Clean Pro. It is a great program. Highly recommend this program. And enjoy, guys. Subscribe down below for more videos like this and how-to videos. And have a good one.